Stop by and take a look at the 2018 Regal. Buick Regal is based on the European Opel Insignia. The Regal is as much a sports sedan as it is a family sedan and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: air conditioning, dual airbags, alloy wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, universal garage door opener, heated front driver and passenger seats, heated steering wheel, heated front seats, electronic stability control, overhead console. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.